Artificial intelligence, the fusion of AI and blockchain technology, is creating a buzz like never before. But just how big is this trend? Well, the numbers don't lie. The market cap for AI-related cryptocurrencies is currently an impressive $40 billion, with a 24-hour trading volume of 1.4 billion, highlighting the significant interest and activity in this space. It is most certainly one of the biggest narratives in this yet-to-be-seen 2024 parabolic bull run. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to another day in my DeFi life and your DeFi life. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on a potential opportunity that you might regret. Today we're looking at AgentLayer, one of the under-the-radar players in the AI space. But I get the feeling they will not be under the radar for very long, with their premium governance nodes being released to the masses today. Let's dive in. Now guys, remember, my videos should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research on these projects that I talk about on my channel, and always only invest in what you can afford to lose. So what is AgentLayer? AgentLayer has been building their platform for some time, so they are well entrenched in the AI field. The innovative protocol, a layer 2 built on the Ethereum blockchain and built on a powerful modular architecture, which include components such as Agent Network, Agent OS, Agent X, Agent Link, and Model Hub. The protocol brings together these AI agents for seamless collaboration. The AgentLayer mission is to create a transparent and fair ecosystem for AI co-creation, making it easy for you to develop and deploy personalized AI applications like chatbots in image generators. With the inclusion of the agent token economy and today's release of their governance nodes, AgentLayer are pushing AI innovation unlike any other platform. So to complement their various apps that they've already produced, today the team are releasing their AgentLayer premium governance nodes, following a very popular and very successful trend in recent times where projects provide nodes to the community to simultaneously empower creators and reward investors just by holding these governance nodes. Created in the mirror of traditional blockchain nodes, these governance nodes power their platforms with progression, decentralization, and sustainability being the key factors. So what exactly are AgentLayer premium governance nodes, and how do they factor in for AgentLayer? Let's jump over to the APGN launching website, where you see the AgentLayer's premium governance nodes and the details listed here. Now the launch is happening from this video in 11 hours. Probably when you're watching this video, this platform will already be launched. So you will already be able to purchase these AgentLayer premium governance nodes. Now these nodes are a crucial component to AgentLayer's layer 2 network, essential for security and governance. AgentLayer's premium governance nodes are the cornerstone of their decentralized AI network, providing robust security and promoting democratic governance. As an APGN holder, you enjoy daily agent token mining rewards, exclusive governance rights, access to special protocol features, and preferential entry to AI project pre-sales and IAOs. With a limited supply and dynamic pricing strategy, early adopters can expect shorter ROI periods and increased earning potential. Now, the initial price for these premium nodes is going to be $800. Now, like a lot of these other previous projects that we've covered on this channel, the node prices increase as the node sales increase as well. So the first 3,000 nodes are going to be $800, but the price increase will be $5 per 100 nodes sold thereafter. Now for node holders, you'll be certainly getting some benefits. APGN holders receive daily agent rewards based on the number of nodes sold and the total release schedule. Early investors benefit from higher rewards due to the limited number of nodes in circulation initially. So very similar to other node projects that we've covered on this channel, the more nodes sold, the less rewards you're going to receive, because the rewards are then spread out across more nodes. Now there are also cash rewards for referrals. Earn 10 to 15% cash reward of the total sales amount of successfully referring APGN purchases. Encourage your network to join the AgentLayer community and earn rewards together. So as I've done with previous node projects, I've referred quite a few people and we've been rewarded generously, especially with the Galaxis project that launched very recently. Now you'll also gain access to content, events, and opportunities within the AgentLayer ecosystem, enjoy privileges such as priority participation in special projects, pre-sales, and more. Now the supply for the APGN nodes, or the AgentLayer premium governance nodes, is 20,000 nodes, so it's quite low. It's a lot lower than other projects that we've covered on this channel. And the daily distribution for the agent token for these node holders is 200,000 agent per day. So that is quite a lot of tokens for a small amount of nodes. And as we know, the earlier you get in, the more you'll be rewarded. Now, along with the release today of the governance nodes, there is also the listing of Agent, the token within the AgentLayer ecosystem. Now the TGE, or the token generation event, will be at the end of June, and the listing time expected to be July 2024. Now the core team for AgentLayer has been fully doxed, and there's quite a large team behind this project. So it's a very, very good team, a very solid project. And I'm convinced with conviction with the narrative of AI and such a robust team that this project could certainly do well in 2024 and 2025. So a potential game changer and a potential earner for you as an investor. They also have a great group of advisors on board. I suggest you do more research on this team and their advisors that they have on board before you get involved, and a huge amount of backers for the AgentLayer project. They have a fantastic team, great advisors, and massive amount of backers. They've obviously done a great job with their products, so things are looking very good for a positive launch for their governance nodes and their agent token in the coming weeks. That's important to take in the tokenomics, because we're going to be investing in these governance nodes. Now we want to know how much is being distributed across the board with the agent token. Now there's going to be a supply of 1 billion agent token, and the community building and ecosystem building, which is part of the rewards for the governance nodes, is 52%. Now we have seed sale, private sale, public sale, advisors, and core contributors all receiving 38% of the tokens, but these will be vested over time, and it's important for us to have a look at that as well. If you look at the release schedule for the agent token, as you can see, there's not a lot of tokens in circulation for the first 6 to 8 months. So the potential for some gains in this project, if you get in early enough, is very, very high. So we're looking at about 25% of the tokens being released in the first 8 months. And if we look at the tokenomics, that's a 1 billion supply. So that's about 250 million tokens in the first 6 months. So we can do some mathematics to find out what kind of earnings we might expect if we do invest in one of these governance nodes from AgentLayer. So let's jump on and have a look at that now. Now I've done a small spreadsheet to try and figure out what kind of earnings we might be expecting from AgentLayer in the near future when they release their agent token and start listing it on exchanges. So we have currently a market cap of 5 million. So I've created this market cap outlook. I've started at 5 million. We've got it 20 million, 50 million, and 100 million. And if we do comparisons to other market caps of AI projects, 100 million right now seems to be a good target for these early AI projects. So we're going to start at 5 million. Circulating supply for the next around about 8 months is going to be 250 million agent tokens, and the price, let's look at 5 million market cap, is going to be about 2 cents upon listing. Now this is my speculation. This is not actually accurate in any way. This is just a way for me to try and figure out what kind of earnings we might receive at certain market caps for AgentLayer. So we have 2 cents per token. Agent distribution per day is 200,000 agent tokens if I own one node at $800 cost. And here's the results. If we have 100 node sales for the governance nodes, then I'm receiving 2,000 agent per day. At 2 cents per token, I'm receiving $40 per day. And my ROI, my expected ROI, if I spend $800 on an AgentLayer node today, it will be 20 days. Now that is a very conservative market cap. Things might start off at this market cap. That's certainly going to rise up as the bull run comes in. So if we jump over to things like 20 million market cap, you can see how things change. I'll be getting my ROI in 5 days if only 100 nodes are sold. And as we scroll down here, it will show you the expected earnings for 10,000 nodes, 5,000, 12,500, so on and so forth. So the earlier you get in, the earlier you're going to get your ROI. Let's say, for example, on the first day, 500 nodes are sold on the first day today, and you have one node for $800. You're getting 400 agent per day at 8 cents per token at a 20 million market cap. So $32 per day, and your ROI is 25 days. This is what I love to create to give myself an idea what I might be expected in return for buying one of these nodes. Now, if we look at 100 million market cap, could be any time between now and the next 8 months. AgentLayer could hit 100 million market cap quite easily, and we could see some interesting returns. Now, if I buy 5 nodes today at $800 and we're at 100 million market cap, and the node sales are, let's say, 5,000. Now my ROI will be in 50 days, and I'll be earning $80 per day. That is pretty impressive. Now, all of these numbers are a very real possibility depending on the market cap, of course, and depending on how parabolic the next bull run is. But I will show you an example of what happened when I got into Galaxis on the very first day. I jumped into Galaxis. I built quite a nice network, and now Galaxis has launched its token, and things are running quite smoothly for the protocol. Galaxis runs a very similar system in regards to the nodes that they provide for their community. And I now have 467,000 Galaxis tokens. The current market cap for Galaxis is 9.5 million. The Galaxis token price is 0.0175 cents, 1.75 cents, and the circulating supply is 540 million. Now the circulating supply, if you go by the vesting period for AgentLayer, should be about 250 million tokens over the next 8 months. So that is half the supply of Galaxis, and the actual total supply of AgentLayer will be 1/10 of Galaxis as well. So potentially we could see AgentLayer reach $1, $2, or $3. Now, if AgentLayer was to hit $3 in the near future, then that would make the market cap about $750 million. And that would mean you'll be earning quite a substantial amount of money every day, depending on how many nodes you have. Now, I'm earning 4,200 Galaxis per day. That calculates to about $74 per day. Now, in my estimations, depending on how much you invest in these AgentLayer nodes today, you could be looking at some daily passive income on these levels as well in the very near future. Now, as I said earlier, the AgentLayer Premium Governance node will be available for sale by the time you're watching this video. As you can see here now, the countdown is still running, but by the time you're watching this video, the countdown will be finished and will be available for sale. And the way to purchase an AgentLayer Premium Governance node is to jump onto this page, apgn.agentlayer.xyz will be linked in the description below, so make sure you jump onto that. You will need a referral code from me in order to buy a node from AgentLayer. Now the referral code is jumping on the screen right now, so make sure you utilize that referral code to purchase your AgentLayer node. Now in order to purchase a node, you're going to need to connect your wallet. Now you can connect through Wallet Connect, Brave Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, or Rebby Wallet. I'm going to use MetaMask. Now you will need to sign into a new Layer 2 blockchain, most likely to be the AgentLayer mainnet. Currently right now, as of before the launch of this project, it is a testnet, but it should be the AgentLayer mainnet, and the network settings should be imported automatically for you to get on board to AgentLayer. If there is any confusion about jumping onto the AgentLayer network, I will leave the information in the description below for you to jump on and to get funds over to start purchasing these governance nodes and get on board and start earning some of that valuable agent token that could be worth quite a bit of money in the coming weeks. Like I said, you will need to use my referral code that is right here, and you'll also need to select how many nodes you wish to purchase in your transaction, which you can select multiple nodes at one time. And let's keep an eye out on AgentLayer for the progress and updates on this project. Seems like a pretty awesome project, and the token is launching at the end of June with a listing in July as well. So big things to come from AgentLayer. Thanks again for joining me on my review of AgentLayer and the release of their governance nodes today. Don't forget the link to purchase a governance node is in the description below, and don't forget to use that referral code. Type that in when you go to purchase your node. Okay, DeFi degens, crypto kings and queens, I have a free Telegram group linked in the description below. If you have any further questions, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, smash that notification bell. Don't forget, have a great week. I'll talk to you soon. Cheers. Bye for now. My DeFi life, our compass true.